Good morning.
Morning.
It is Thanksgiving morning. Feels like Christmas morning.
It does.
And we just made some smoothies. Banana smoothies.
Baby, I told you, neck up, neck up.
It's not there. Alright, let's hold it up then.
Jared made smoothies because my stomach hurts. Banana smoothies to be exact.
Non-dairy oat milk. So hopefully these suit our stomach.
Yeah, I'm drinking lots of water, and now I'm about to play Christmas jam, so we'll talk to you later. Oh, let me show them what you look like. My handsome husband. Alright. Cheers. Oh.
She's the holly.
She's a holly jolly. Oh, you soak her before she eats?
Yeah.
How was I supposed to know to put her in?
Her water's cold in here. Probably didn't change it.
Of course I didn't change her water. How was I supposed to know? Don't judge me.
It's the second time you're doing this. I'm like, what are you doing?
Yeah, so the table is pretty. I actually was just decorating the table for Christmas. And then my mom bought this yesterday. So it works. It's a vibe. Jingle your way to, from Thanksgiving. We got goat. We got macaroni. We have rice. And there was pork in here that we were going to barbecue. But you know we're having a lax day, so we're not barbecuing. It's so good. But that's what sent me to the bathroom today. But thank goodness my mom made 2 meats. So we're good to go. Jared and I got dressed up because we're going to have dinner together. We're going to have a romantic Thanksgiving. This is really cute. It's almost like we're at a cabin, but it's our house. It's cabin date. Yes.
Look, you got the carnival.
Yes, so the reason that we're like having a chill Thanksgiving is because we want to clean. Look at all the PR boxes, like stuff moving in. So we were taking the fact that we both off to do all of this, but we still have to get dinner, so might as well. I dressed up for less. I literally dressed up, well, not less, but just so Jared could come home and see me looking pretty. So I was like, let's dress up for Thanksgiving. I'm about to tear this up. This has to be Jared's. All that goat. Don't just give me a little, and then if I want more, I'll come back. That's perfect. Leave it like that. Just one more. You know me so well. Okay, that's it, baby. That's it. So the table is being set up. My stomach was hurting me earlier, so I had to snack on crackers. But we're about to eat. And I'm putting my phone in here and play some jams. And if you hear that noise in the corner, hey, it's me. It's just our daughter trying to leave the front door. See her? But yeah, this is the outfit. This is the outfit.
Lord, thank you for this wonderful day. Thank you for relaxing, well-spent day together, for our romance, for our love for each other. And thank you so much for this home, for our marriage, most of all, the 2 of us, bringing us together. Thank you for this food, nothing's made it, and may you bring us each other home safely. And thank you for life and joy and just happiness together. We are so thankful for our parents, for bringing us to this country, coming together as one. In Jesus' name, pray. And stop doing yourself.
I love you.
No, you too.
Hold my hand.
Angel texted us. Said, hope both of you are doing great. Happy Thanksgiving. Said, thank you for making our dreams come true and getting us into a wonderful home.
That's sweet.
It's crazy. I'm glad that you remembered.
Yeah. I'm definitely grateful for this year and the blessed people that God put into our lives. Like the fact that we have this roof over our head.
The biggest blessing yet?
It really is the biggest blessing ever. He did it. He gave us the strength so that we could do it. I can't believe we bought a house.
Thanks, Ron.
So grateful. Cheers. Grateful for my mom. Wouldn't have dinner without her.
That's true.
She texted me saying how grateful she was for us.
I opened a card.
Like being nice, I didn't take that out of my her book. But finding the time to do get a card.
Hey. Happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving. Baby!
What?
Turbo, are you crazy?
She's okay.
No, Boots.
She has an armored shell for a reason.
Do not touch this stuff.
She loves obstacles.
But this one is cracked. It's dangerous. It's dangerous because it's cracked. And I need to return it even though there's no more at the store. See? Don't want her to touch that now. Look at you.
She loves obstacles, like crawling between things, like up things, like...
I know, our daughter.
Anything gives her a challenge.
This is really more than enough food.
5-course meal? What?
You said you wanted to bake a pie.
I did.
We can still bake it if you want.
I'll go on the website to see the recipes there.
Oh yeah, that's what you're looking for.
The girl really did sound like she had the best pie recipe in the world. Her key was freezing the pie crust.
Well, which our pie crust is frozen.
Well, in the pan.
Oh.
See how, remember our last pie, like the crust just kind of like was everywhere? Yeah.
I made that pie basically by myself, so I don't just try and come from my pie.
It's not about you, Woo.
It is always about me. You crazy?
The point is, she's giving tips and tricks to like, you got a better pie.
Oh, okay.
And then she said, if you do make the pie crust from scratch, make sure you don't mash up all the butter. Because the butter releases steam, and the steam turns into air pockets, and the air pockets turn into flakes.
You got it.
Yeah. See, look at her.
I see her. She goes there all the time.
Between the legs.
She's the one that moved my shoes. My shoes are not like that.
I love her, daughter.
I love her too. Oops. You're looking at my ring. Look at the camera.
You're looking at your ring.
I was, but that's... That's not what I see you do.
Better on than off, they
Very
always say.
grateful. Is that from Home Alone?
Something like that.
I want to see what's in your card. What it says. I got flowers. Jared got a card.
So she never really stop, take the time, and pick out a card.
That's what I'm saying. I really need to learn some stuff from her.
You spread good deeds like flower seeds that blossom where you've been. Jared, so grateful for all that you are, all that you do. Thank you for always being there for me. Love you always, and Joy. She gave me a Home Depot gift card.
Aww, that's sweet. Like, what? And she knows you like Home Depot.
She's so sweet.
That's really sweet. Thanks, Mom. It's funny because she really loves Jared. She does think that you always do good deeds, which he does. But I'm just thinking, like, that...
She always thinks that I do good deeds.
Yeah. No.
What do you mean? You're always doing good deeds.
No, you are always doing good deeds, but I'm looking at the fridge right now, and she got you the same card twice.
Oh, Lord.
She got him the same card twice. So she really thinks, like, the front of it saying, like, all these, you're blossoming, who you've been. Like, if she keeps picking it out multiple times for you, then, like, this is who she really thinks you are. And that's why I was laughing, because when you opened it, I was looking over there, and I was like, wait a minute.
Wait a damn minute.
Wait a minute.
Aww.
Because last time he did something nice, and she got him a card. It's a just because card. She really loves you. You love my mom.
Yeah, she's nice.
She's nice to you.
She appreciates you.
She does appreciate you. You get holiday gifts on a holiday that don't even give gifts. But it's to say thankful. But she's thankful for you. A thank you gift.
It's our gift card.
Yeah, the home's for our home.
It's ours.
Yeah. I love you, handsome.
I love you too, man.
I'm happy that I get to celebrate Thanksgiving with you.
Me too. Thanks for doing this. Setting up the table.
Of course.
Buying all this nice stuff.
Just grateful that I got to do this with my mom. Get these placemats. My mom got this from Publix. Like, this is what really made it. I will say. With the placemats, it would have been like, is it Christmas yet? But this is what made the table what it is. Like, made it feel romantic with the candle. Cheers.
Let's do it.
I win.
Come on.
I don't want to play anymore.
The fact that he played makes my heart swell.
Yeah. You don't play with knives or scissors?
Or
run around the pool?
I was gonna do one last move and shake it like ding, ding, ding.
So you would want me to have a heart attack?
That's why I wanted you to keep going.
So you want to kill me? You want me to have a heart attack?
Just scare you a little.
If you want to kill me, just say that. Oh my gosh. Baby, don't do that. What?
I said like a hot knife through butter.
You have an issue. Who's doing the dishes? Me? You?
Nah, you did so many times.
Thank you. We can do it half and half. I did the dishes last night after my mom cooked, so that's why he's saying he'd do it now.
Man, what a day. Felt like we didn't achieve absolutely anything.
I was gonna say, I feel like the day was pretty successful. You saw how messy this table was, and now it's clean. I'm not done. I'm finishing that corner.
We're just talking about grilling.
Oh, because we didn't grill is not successful? That's the one thing we didn't do. Who cares? We're blessed to have food, and we didn't even eat all of it. There's macaroni. Macaroni by itself is a dish. How come we forgot macaroni?
Because you can't eat macaroni with curry goat.
Yeah, you can. You eat whatever you want.
Because you always do that during Thanksgiving.
Well, yeah, on Thanksgiving people put like 20 things on a plate. I thought you wanted to try your breadcrumbs. My mom put breadcrumbs.
Should we just put everything in there, sort it,
Mm-hmm.
and then move the desk in?
We can move the desk in now. Let me tell you what I'm grateful for. Because I don't think I got to go. You. Every day in my grateful journal, I write down your name and my mom's name. But no matter what, every single day, you're there. I'm just grateful for the husband that you are, so kind, and that I get to do life with you. It's really the biggest gift and blessing. Bigger than any camera lens, shoes, or home decor furniture. Like, I can't even put a value to like who you are in our relationship.
Oh, baby.
I just want to cherish it forever. I really do. I love you.
I love you.
Thanks for loving me the way you do. You're just very patient. I think the only person who's ever loved me like this is my mom.
Mm-hmm.
You're nice to me.
Positive.
Yeah. I love you. There he goes. Where did I put this over? Oh my god! Wow. I was wondering where you were. I was wondering where you put the camera. Very clever, Booth. This music couldn't be more perfect. Baby, you're ruining your desk.
Can't drive. I bought my license.
You bought it?
A forklift license.
Where were you going? Get out of here, Mom. It's pretty. Get out. Look at this moth. It's pretty. But it needs to get out. It's cute though. Hey, baby.
We are coming together, ladies and gentlemen.
It's coming together. Slowly. What's up? Jared has his desk. I have my desk. And we have a makeshift curtain for now. We're gonna wait to build these. But wow. It's slowly coming together. Slowly. It's funny, my aesthetic is very soft and feminine, and his is very masculine.